good, guys? Welcome back, Digital Slang. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking the eardots, another pair of wireless buds. Now, I posted a poll a while back in the community section of my YouTube page, and I brought these up, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to check them out. If a company offered a lifetime warranty, would you be interested? And the majority was, hell yeah, let's check them out. So here they are. These are the eardots. These have a lifetime warranty. And as somebody that buys a lot of electronics and a lot of buds, that's a big deal for me, right? So I'm definitely interested in this, but we're gonna jump in. We're gonna take a look at the website. We're gonna see what the warranty is all about, check the fine print, see if there's anything that we might be missing, but we'll talk about it. And we're also going to review the product itself. But a company that offers a lifetime warranty, and it covers losing them, breaking them, it covers all of it. But first, let's get in. We're going to check out the dots themselves, see what kind of quality the product is, and then we'll check out the warranty, and we'll talk about the company, the brand, the message, and all of the good stuff. So the packaging, you got the dots label on the front. Again, they come in white and black, and the embossed image on the front. On the back, a picture of the case, and with wireless charging case, so they do support wireless charging. And these are also going to have rename, remap, GPS, all of the good stuff with the upgraded chip for the good sound. So let's jump in and we'll check them out, and we'll run it through all of the usual testing and see how they compare to all of the ones that we've already taken a look at. So we open the box, we get our manual. Inside of here is just the user's manual, and here is our first look at the buds themselves. Also in the box, we should have our lightning connector to charge, but we'll put this stuff aside, take a look at the white buds. And again, they do come in black, and you can pick them up. I'll drop the link below. Take off the plastic. So if we take a look, our LED light here on the front, we do have our port to charge on the bottom, our hinge, and of course the button to connect. And this does have the reverse magnetic lid, and it's just like the real thing. Works very well. Pretty dope, pretty cool. I love that little lid when it does that, and I'm actually quite disappointed when it's not there. So already a good start, but we'll connect them, we'll check them out, we'll do the testing, we'll do a sound test, a mic test, all of the good stuff, and then we're going to really talk about the warranty and what it's all about. So let's connect them, and I'll show you guys what they're all about. If we open up the lid, and again, I'm running the latest version of iOS 13 on here, and it pops up, we hit connect, we hold the button on the back, connecting, and we get the same pop-up animation, just like the real thing. Real battery percentages on the case as well as the pods. We hit done. So we are all connected. Now I'm gonna go in, we'll go into settings, I'll show you what they're all about. We go into Bluetooth settings, you go into eardots. I already renamed them. You can go in and you can rename them. You can decide what you double tap, whatever you want it to be. Left, I like play and pause on mine, and right, I like to, it says Siri, I'm gonna change that to next track. And again, your mic, you can change it from each individual bud if you want, or just leave it set as default to automatic. And automatic ear detection, your in-ear detection, you can turn on and off. But we're gonna go back out. Also, if you go into your Find My app, eardots comes up, you click on eardots, let it find it, and then it's going to go and it's going to give you your GPS location on here. So GPS, let's start the testing. We'll play some music, check them out, see how they sound. Sound quality is great, they sound fantastic, just as good as the KP1s, the i500s, all of the Air 2s that have come out with the upgraded chip. They sound great, they sound fantastic, no complaints. And again, this style is not gonna have the bass of the in-ear buds, but you can hear it, it's there, but it's this style that doesn't produce a lot of bass, but overall sound quality is really good. Next test, we'll try in-ear detection. We're gonna play some music. Right side, pauses right away, back in. Plays, left side, pauses right away. And when I put them back in my ear, I do get that sound, that connecting sound that I like so much. Put it back in, plays music right away. These things are really good. Next test, we'll try the touch controls. Now I did go and change it in settings. Double tap on the right should go to the next track, and double tap on the left should play and pause. So we'll play some music and we'll try it out. We'll do the right side first. Double tap. Next track, double tap again. Next track. Works very well, and we're going to keep going. We'll try the left side. Double tap. Pauses, double tap again. Plays. So I have to be honest with you, out of all the buds that I've tested, these might be the best as far as sensitivity and how fast and efficient everything works. Usually there's a little bit of delay. These are instant, and I'm impressed by them, and they're really good so far. So you can use one at a time. So I'll show you that next. We'll play some more music. Put the right in the case. Music pauses, you hit play. Music plays. We'll take it out. Change. It's already playing in my right ear. It's going to pause again. You hit play. Music is playing. So you can use one at a time. In-ear detection works very well. Touch controls work very well. The sound quality is really good on here. And we'll go in next test. We're just going to go right into it. We'll do a mic test. What up, guys? Mic test. The eardots. This is the white version. Lifetime warranty. Let me know how they sound. Let me know how the mic sounds. I'm hoping that it sounds pretty good. Next test, we'll check the latency, see if there's any delay between audio and video. We'll go into YouTube and we'll check it out. No delay between audio and video. So guys, these are really good. One of the best pairs that I've ever tested. A lot of good things with the product, right? In-ear detection works, sound quality is really good. Touch controls work really well. No delay between audio and video. Wireless charging, you can use one at a time. Battery life's going to be around 4 hours on here, and you're going to get another 4 to 5 charges with the case itself. So really good battery life, real battery percentages on the pods as well as the case. These things are really good. We get the reverse magnetic hinge. So really good things with this pair. So the eardots, solid product. Very good pair of wireless earbuds. And these guys are competing against Apple, not against some of the other products that are out there that are similar to this. High quality, these things are one of the best I've tested. But let's talk about the company themselves, the warranty they have to offer, the lifetime warranty they have to offer, and why they can compete against companies like Apple and the big dogs. Now these guys are offering a lifetime warranty. If we go on to their website, and it's eardots.co, your favorite wireless headphones made affordable, and they do offer many different types of headphones. We got the eardots Pro, the eardots white in matte black and in white, and the eardot buds as well as the power dots, and they have other products as well, such as headphones, and you can go in and check them out. And you can see these have already been reviewed by some other people with a lifetime warranty. And it's a big deal. 24-hour customer service, free and fast delivery, amazing sound, quality with a lifetime warranty. And here we have our first look. Built to last lifetime warranty. Each purchase is backed by a lifetime guarantee. And we're going to go in and we're going to talk about that at greater detail. If we click on lifetime warranty, we can go in and it's going to tell us a little bit about it. Never worry about losing your pods again. We understand the hardest part of owning pods is the fear they might get lost, damaged, or stolen, and this warranty covers all of that. Now there are some things you need to be aware of. If your eardots ever get lost, damaged, or stolen, simply contact us and provide the order confirmation number. So step 1, make sure you keep your order confirmation number. It's very important. Also, I would suggest taking pictures of the product if you have them, if you didn't lose them. Now you are expected to pay a shipping and handling fee with the new dots, but that is normal standard for any claim that you put into any company. You're always going to pay that shipping and handling fee. Now the eardots, the warranty activates 60 days after the original purchase date. Replacement pods are capped at 2 replacements per year for 2 years from the original purchase date, and there must be at least 90 days between replacement orders. And they need to put something like this in to protect themselves against people trying to take advantage of it. And it's smart to do that because sadly enough, there are some people out there that are going to try and take advantage of a lifetime warranty program. So it's smart of them to do that, but it's also still a very good lifetime warranty program. And I'm impressed. I'm impressed by the product And I like what the company stands for. As somebody that purchases a lot of electronics and a lot of goods, if I can do it with a company that has a lifetime warranty, I'm all in. Like, if I know that my product is protected, right, I'll pay a little more for it. And it's not a problem because I know it's protected. And I know if anything happens to it, I'll get a new pair. And it's a big deal to me. So eardots, guys, let me know what you guys think. The product itself, one of the best that I've tested. And the warranty, let me know what you guys think of the warranty. It's a big deal, right? We're protected, and that's what we want when we buy and we spend our hard-earned money. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. Let me know what you think. Eardots, check them out. They're good. I'm impressed. We'll be back with more videos soon, guys. Peace.